Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Code Station again. Today in this video, we will be going to explore about logical operators in C and learn how to use them effectively in your programs. So moving forward, we'll first see our recap what we have done in our previous video. In our previous video, we have seen what are relational operators and its types. Relational operators are used to compare two values and give the result as so. So in C, we have 5 types of operators. Among that, we are going to see today is logical operator. So let's start. So, logical operators are used in evaluating multiple conditions and producing a single result. These results are always in either true or false format. They play a crucial role in creating complex control structures and making logical decisions within the programs. Logical operators are actually very essential operators in your program because they are used in complex decision making controls. So the logical operators include, first is logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. We are going to see a detailed explanation and demonstration on our VS Studio code. So guys, now we are on our VS code and we will be seeing what are logical operators. The first operator is logical AND operator. This is how our logical AND operator looks like. It is double ampersand sign. Talking about the logical AND operator should have more than one conditions. You can have 2 conditions, 3 conditions, 4 conditions, have many conditions, but it should be actually more than one. The next is all conditions must be true and only then your result will be true. If any of the conditions are false, then your result will also be false. Means if you are having 2 conditions, then both the conditions must be true and only then the result will be true. For instance, we will be taking an example. I am assigning a number 5 to our variable a and number 10 to our variable b, and we will be using our if statement in this condition. I know that we haven't taught you about if statement, but we are going to teach you in our future videos. So I just want you guys to please take this as an example purpose only. So here we are writing if a is greater than 1 and b is greater than 5. Okay. So looking at our first condition states that is a greater than 1? We should check this. Yes, a is greater than 1 because it is 5. So our first condition is true. And in our second condition, is b greater than 5? Yes, b is greater than 5 because it is 10. So our second condition is also true. And only because of this, our result is also going to be true. Let's change the scenario. Let's see. Is a greater than 6? And let b greater than 5 only. So in this scenario, let's check, is a greater than 6? No, a is smaller than 6. So this condition number 1 is incorrect. And the second condition is as always true. Therefore, our result is also false. Because I already told you guys that if any one of the conditions, if you have 2 conditions and if any one of them are incorrect, then your entire result will be false. So this is logical AND operator. Moving forward, we will see about logical OR operator. In logical OR operator, we have the same scenario as our logical AND operator. In this, we should have more than one condition. It doesn't work on a single condition. The second is, it should either have one condition true to get the result as true. Unlike in logical AND operator, we needed all the conditions to be true to get our result as true. But it is opposite in OR operator, because if either one of the condition is true, then our result is gonna be true. So this is a new scenario in this. Now let's see some example. Again, I am assigning variable A as 5 and variable B as 10, and then we'll just check this using our if statement. Okay, so if A is less than 4 and or B is greater than 5. Okay, so this is our two conditions. So these are our two conditions. Let's check them. So let's see our first condition. Is A less than 4? No. A is actually greater than 4. So this condition is wrong. Moving to our next condition. Is B greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So therefore our result is also going to be true. If this same scenario was to be in AND operator, then our result was to be false, because in AND operator both of our conditions must be true in order to get the result as true. Let's now move to our last logical operator, which is NOT operator. The NOT operator works on a single operand, which means it doesn't require more than one condition to work upon. Now let's see our logical NOT operator is. It works on a single operand and it reverses the result. There is no requirement of using 2 operands or 3 operands. It only works on one single operand or one single condition. It reverses the result, which means if you have your result as true, it will convert it into false, or if you have your result as false, it will convert it into true. Here we will be seeing this example for our logical NOT operator. Here we have assigned variable A as 5 and B as 10. And in this if-else statement, we are printing true or false to check our condition's result. So we will start with our first condition. If A is less than B, if A is less than B, print true, else print false. It is actually true because A is less than B. So our program will print the word true. Now I will be showing you the result. This is without using the NOT operator. You are getting the result as true. The word true is printed. Okay. Now already I have told you that using the NOT operator, it will convert our answer which is in true to false. Let's check how it does. This is our NOT operator, and we should always write it before an operand or before any condition. So now, what is the answer of this? Just you tell me that what's the answer of this. Is A less than B? Yes, it is less. So what should it print? True. But now we are using our NOT operator, therefore it will print false because it reverses our result. So now I will be showing you our output of our program using the NOT operator. You can see here the program is same, just we have added the NOT operator before our condition and it changed our entire result, which was true, and it converted into false. So here how NOT operator works. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.